Are you looking for a way to make money online in 2026 through your mobile phone? Here comes a powerful trading app that you can use to trade and as well as using it to make money through their affiliate program. I've joined this platform since 2023 and this platform has been working for me. I've been using it to trade and make thousands of dollars and cedis in my mobile money account as well as my crypto wallet. So come, let me show you the step-by-step guide on how you can create an account on this trading platform for yourself, how you can make deposit through your mobile money account, your bank account, as well as using your crypto wallet to make deposit, how you can trade and also make money from this platform, as well as withdrawing your profit from this particular platform, and also the process of how you can become an affiliate member on this particular trading platform that you can also use to make money at the online space in this 2026. This platform is called Stockity, and it's a trading platform that will help you to earn something cool. As I always say, trading involves taking financial risk and you need to make sure you trade responsibly. So now let me quickly take you to my phone to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can create your account for yourself through your mobile phone and also use it to trade and make something cool from this particular trading app. And also in the subsequent videos, I'm going to show you my strategy that I use to make something cool from Stockity that you can also use, how you can set your risk management, how you can set your technical analysis and also your fundamental analysis so as to trade in the subsequent video that I'm about to show you my strategy that I use to make cool cash from this Stockity. Okay, so creating an account for yourself on this particular platform is so easy. Just check through the description. The first thing, that is the platform link, or better still, you can check through the comment section, the pinned comment, that is the platform link. Tap on it and be on the registration page, and at the registration page you'll be required to register by using your email address, because after successful registration you need to confirm your email address through the mail that they will send to you on your email address. Okay, so here you just go ahead to enter the email address that you want to use, a valid email address. You set your password, then you see the currencies here, that is the euros, the dollars, and that of the cedis. Okay, so for Ghanaians you can set the cedis here, or if you are a foreigner you can select any of the currencies here, being the euros or that of the US dollars. Okay, so for Ghanaians, select the cedis, then you make sure you accept the terms and conditions by checking the box here. Okay, then after successfully entering your details here, you need to go ahead to click on the register button here. After you are done with your email and also setting your password, the email will be sent to you so as to verify your email address to check for security of your account, as simple as that. Okay, so after having an account on this particular platform, now let's go through the process on how you can set your trade, how you can set your trade amount, and also the time that you want to hit your trade, as well as the amount that you wish to get from every trade, the currency pair that you can use to trade, and how you can withdraw your funds, as simple as that, from Stockity. Okay, now let's go into the process. Okay, so therefore after creating an account, you get a real account as well as demo account. So you can use the demo account to practice on the trading app so that you get more knowledge on how you can set your trade and also make profit. Okay, so here I'm going to use the demo account to show you everything literally about the Stockity so that you can also use it and also learn, use your technical analysis, check your risk management, and also use your indicators so that when you go to the rare account you can know how to set your trade and also use it to make something cool for yourself. So at the demo account page, you see the amount that you need to use it to trade, the time that you need to set to trade. Okay, and also you see the demo account here. Okay, that's, you'll be given 150,000 Ghana cedis, okay, as a demo account amount that you can use to learn on the Stockity. As I always say, this demo account amount, it is not withdrawable. It is there for you to use it to know how you can trade on the Stockity, how you can learn a whole lot of stuff on the Stockity, so that when you enter the rare market you are not going to fumble. Okay, and here you see the crypto IDX here. Okay, that is where you are going to set the asset. Either you are going to trade by using crypto, by using stocks, or by using any currency pair that you want to use. Okay, so here you just click on the crypto index here and you see the FTT, that's the first trade here. Okay, you see a list of currency pairs that you can use to trade and their percentage, winning percentage. Okay, they are winning percentage as well as the profit that you get from the asset that you use to trade. Okay, so with the crypto IDX here, the profit percentage is 83% here. That is, if you predict for the crypto IDX to go up and it hits your go up, you are going to make a profit of 83% on the amount that you use to trade. But if you go for the up for the crypto IDX and it goes against your prediction, that is where you make your losses. Okay, so here with the crypto IDX, it gives a profit percentage of 83%. The GBP USD, it is 80% here. The USD card, it is 80%. AUD USD, it is 80%. So the forex, they are all what, 80%, apart from the crypto IDS, which is 83% as profit. So when you go to the crypto assets, you see the crypto assets here, the Ethereum here, it is 30%. So if you predict Ethereum to go up and it goes up within the time frame that you said, you make 30% of the amount that you used to trade. But if you predict Ethereum to go up and it goes down, that is, it goes against your predicted trend, then you lose 30%. As simple as that. The same applies to the Bitcoin here, the Uniswap, the Chainlink. So all the crypto assets here, the profit percentage is 30%. All the forex trade assets, that's the currency pairs, it is 80%. It is only the crypto index that is having a profit percentage of 83%, as simple as that. Okay, so here let's see something here. Okay, let's check something here. Okay, so you can see with this, the demo account here that I have here, as I said, here is where you set the time frame. Okay, you can see the time is 11:13 here, so the time for the next run will be 11:14 here, and here you set the amount here. So let me use this account to make practice here so that you know how you can easily use the Stockity to make something cool, earn from it. Okay, so you need to make sure that you use the demo account, practice more on the demo account, set your risk management and everything that you need to know about trading by using the demo account. So here, let me do practical example here. So let me enter with 10,000 here. If I enter with 10,000 Ghana cedis here, so that if I set the amount to be 10,000 Ghana cedis with the asset selected as crypto IDS with 83% profit, it means if I predict that the crypto IDS will go up and it hits my prediction, I'm going to get 83%, which will be equivalent to 18,300 Ghana cedis. But if I go for the upward trend and it goes against the trend within the time that I said and it goes down, it means I'm going to lose the amount that I used to predict. Okay, and also if I go for the crypto IDS to go downwards and it goes downwards, I'm going to get 83%. Okay, so the thing is, the profit percentage that you are going to get, it has to hit the trend that you want to go. If you want to predict for an upward trend and it is upward trend, you get profit. If you predict downward trend, it hits downward trend, you make profit. But if you predict upward or downward and it goes against your prediction, that's where you lose your money. So you need to take note of that. That's why I said crypto, it involves financial risk, so you need to make sure that you trade responsibly. Okay, so here with the amount said, let me go for a downward trend here. Okay, so I will trade for short here. Okay, I'll trade for short here with a price of 10,000 Ghana cedis with a time frame here. So you can see after setting it, here's where I'm going to see where I entered the trade. Okay, so I entered the trade at this current price here. So if it goes upward, I lose, but if it goes downward, because I predicted the price to go downward, I will make a profit of 83% on the amount that I used to stake. Okay, as simple as that from this particular platform. So it has to go and hit here. Okay, you see left with some few minutes, you see now I didn't make any money after entering the trade because I predicted downwards and it went upwards. So let me go for another trend here. I'll go for another downward prediction here. Okay, so here you can also make a lot of predictions. You can enter the trade with a lot of predictions. Okay, so you can see here at this current price I entered. I can also go for another current entry. Okay, so here to have entered the trade. Okay, let me enter trade again here. Let me enter trade again here. So you can see I have entered into the trade with 3. Okay, so if it hits any of them, I make profit. As simple as that. Okay, all that I have to wait is the time that I've set. Okay, so the first one left with this seconds for it to hit. Okay, the second one is this seconds, the third one is this seconds. As simple as that. Okay, and one thing you see is that when you are making profit, you'll be seeing it popping up here. Okay, you'll be seeing it popping up here. As simple as that. Okay, so when you are making profit, you will see it will be in blue here, but if you are making losses, it will be cancelled. As simple as that. Okay, so you can see now I am recovering my money that I used to stake on. Now you can see I'm recovering my money that I used to enter the trade here. Okay, all I have to hope for is that it must stay in my prediction as I predicted it to go upward. You can see the candlestick is going upward for me. Okay, it is going upward for me. So the moment that it drops below my prediction, of which I say it should go upward, I'm going to make some losses. But if it goes upwards based on the amount that or the predictions, that's where I'm going to make some profit. Okay, so you can see here I've already made a profit here. Okay, now you see I've made a profit of 36,000 Ghana cedis here. Now let's see, look at my earnings. I started with 152,000 Ghana cedis, but now I am at 157,000 Ghana cedis, which is a profit. Okay, so you need to make sure that you use your risk management well, you use technical analysis and fundamental analysis so as to understand what the Stockity works. Okay, so basically that's how you can trade. And also, if you want to make deposits on the rare account, you need to switch from the demo account to the rare account. So you just go here, you see demo account, you click on it here, then you set it to rare account here. Okay, so you set it to rare account here. So you see you are using the rare account, so you click on trade here. So at the rare account, you see you don't have any money on it, so what you have to do is that you go to deposit onto your rare account. So you see the deposit, the wallet icon here, click on it here, then click on deposit here. The same, if you want to withdraw, you just click on the withdraw, but you are going to deposit, click on deposit here. So here you can deposit through your mobile money account, being MTN, Go. You can also use your Visa card or MasterCard to make deposits. You can as well use your bank account to make deposits here. Okay, bank account here, and you can as well use crypto to make deposits. As simple as that is, you can use your Bitcoin, your TRC20 USDT address to make deposits here. So I'm interested in using the mobile money to make deposits. So you just select the payment method. If you want to use MTN, click on MTN here. So after choosing the method, then here I enter the amount that I want to use it to deposit. One thing you need to take note is that the minimum deposit amount is 120 Ghana cedis here. Okay, and there are other bonuses that you get when you want to make deposits. So with a deposit of 1,200 Ghana cedis, you get a bonus of 30% on your 1,200 Ghana cedis deposit. With the deposit of 600 Ghana cedis, you get 30%. But with the deposit of 120 Ghana cedis, you are not going to get any bonus when you are depositing 120 Ghana cedis. Okay, so you select the one that you want to deposit here. So for instance, 1,200 Ghana cedis here. Then one thing you need to take note is that if you use my promo code as StockTech to make deposit, you get 30% bonus on your first deposit, irrespective of the amount that you use to make the deposit. Okay, so my promo code is StockTech. Okay, StockTech, as you see on the screen here, you enter it here. Then after selecting the promo code, then you enter your valid email address that you use to create the account. Then the first name of your mobile money number, you enter it here. The second name of your, that's the surname of your mobile money number, you enter it, and then click on deposit, and within some short minutes, the amount that you deposit through your mobile money will reflect in this account. Then you just go ahead, use it to trade. As simple as that. Okay, so after filling the details here which is required, and click on deposit here, so here you'll be directed to the deposit page, of which you are to go and make deposit onto your account. Okay, so here you enter the mobile phone number that you want to use to make the deposit here. Then you click on pay now here. Okay, one thing you need to take note is that if you are entering the mobile money number that you want to use to make payment, don't include the zero. That is, if your number is 0554, you start with 554, as simple as then click on pay here. So after entering your number of which you want to use to make payments, MTN will send you Momo prompt. Then you go ahead to enter your mobile money PIN. Then you accept the transaction, and after that you click on I have paid here, and within short seconds, instantly, the amount that you paid will reflect in your real account. And after a successful deposit, it will reflect in your real account, then use it to trade. And the same way, if you want to withdraw after making profit on the platform, you see the wallet icon, you click on it there. Then this time I click on withdraw button here. Before you withdraw, the one or two things that you need to take note of, that is there is 24/7 support about your withdrawal. That is, there's no fee to your withdrawal. If you withdraw, there's no fee, transaction fee. And also you can withdraw from as minimum as $10, which is equivalent to 120 Ghana cedis, and withdrawal is done within 30 minutes. It normally reflects instantly, okay, but in some instances within 30 minutes, that's where you are going to receive your withdrawal in your mobile money account, as simple as that. Okay, so basically this is everything that you need to know about the Stockity trading platform, which you can use to make money by trading, and also as well as joining their affiliate program. In the next video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can join their affiliate program so as to make something cool from your affiliate program. Okay, that is, if anyone uses your link to create an account and also make first-time deposits and use it to trade, you are going to get something from it. The affiliate program is very nice, with a rev share of 70%, of which you can get from their affiliate program. Anytime your first time deposit, uses your link to create an account and also deposit and trade on the Stockity. Okay, here's the talk tech, and one thing I want you to know is that trading involves financial risks, so make sure you trade responsibly. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing the step-by-step guide on how I make money through trading. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this particular video. Make sure you do your own research and also use your trading knowledge to trade on this particular platform, as simple as that. Here's the talk tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.